you're worried about a problem like this similar to your trees, you can do something like you're seeing me do in the video, which is jiggle the tree back and forth. Now, a tree of this size, you should not be able to move it with your hands. If you are able to move it with your hands, that is a problem, and it probably means you have poor root structure. So these clients wanted to know why their sweet shade tree fell over, and there was a couple reasons for this. The trees were planted in a super narrow planter right up against the property wall, right up against a paved walkway, maybe 10 feet off of the actual house. I mean, does this look like enough space for a tree? One of the issues with this tree was that they had drip lines installed way too close to the central trunk. They have little holes in them, water flows through them, water flows out the little holes. Now, drip lines too close to the central trunk produce what's known as encircling roots. In a healthy tree, the anchoring roots grow away from the central trunk. In a tree that's with all its watering concentrated right around that area, the roots will grow in a circle around the central trunk in what's referred to as encircling roots. There's a number of reasons why encircling roots are really bad for a tree. First and foremost, they can actually strangle portions of the trunk or other anchoring roots. If a large enough root grows over the central stem of the tree, it becomes a girdling root and it can choke the vasculature of the tree. When we have a lot of encircling roots and we don't have those nice trailing anchoring roots, the tree has very poor structure and it's more prone to failure. And this is a large reason why one of these sweet shade trees fell over to begin with. Because these trees were planted so close to the home, when this one fell over, it actually hit the roof and caused damage to the tiling. Really hard to do anything about it. Most of the time, when it comes to girdling and encircling roots, the best thing you can do is excavate the trees to a proper depth, make sure they're not buried too deeply, adjust the waterings that you're watering farther away from the central stem of the tree, more towards the edge of the drip line. 3, you can do corrective root pruning. We excavate a lot of that root system, cut out those really bad encircling roots, adjusting the watering and lowering the grade of the soil. We hope that it produces healthy anchoring roots from there on out. Are you worried about your tree falling? Check out at calecoarborist.com.